What is up boys, Vimal here back with a new video, and today I've got something very interesting stuff to show you all. So recently I've been looking to buy like brand new gaming chairs for my office space. So I had like planned for two different models, one for like maximum comfort feel and the other one was for like gaming sort of experience guys. And that is the reason I have ordered like two brand new gaming chairs, and let me tell you, I'm pretty sure you've never seen something like this before. It's completely unique design. So both of these gaming chairs are from Kreo. They're all new models. One is called as a Kreo Altus and the other one is called as the Kreo Noctus. So this one is made specifically for like ergonomic sort of feel guys. This is an ergonomic gaming chair made to offer you like maximum comfort, and the other one over here has a hybrid 2-in-1 design guys. I mean, this chair can convert from a mesh back panel into a comfortable cushiony sort of backrest. So I'm like very excited to unbox and talk about them in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the whole unboxing part was already shot a couple of days back, and I've been using both the chairs at my place for the last couple of days. So I'll try to keep this part as short as possible and quickly show you what we got in the box contents. First, we'll start off with Kreo's Noctus gaming chair, and it came in this sort of huge packaging. Obviously, there was no way I could do the unboxing alone, so called in my dad for some help. At the top, you get a user manual. Just make sure to read this for all the step-by-step installation and assembling procedure. Along with that, you get two armrests at the top side, plenty of stuff on the inside guys, and this one looks like a cushioning for the chair along with your lumbar support cushion. Again, mind you, this is not the first time we're actually unboxing a gaming chair. We've done plenty of videos in the past as well, and the whole packaging process, everything seems very similar. You get the chair in different pieces. This one is your bottom base seat, the main thing where you'll sit, and along with that you're also getting your backrest and plenty of other accessories which include like a high quality gas lift, some installation screws and also bolts, and these are your nylon caster wheels. And this one looks like your metal base. You get 5-spoke metal base, and you'll have to assemble the metal base over here. Very easy to do that. Installation and assembling this chair is super simple. You don't need any professional or technician for this guys. At the beginning only I've told you, right, you're getting like a user manual included in the package. Just follow all the steps one by one, or just watch my video guys for a detailed instructions and tutorial, and you can easily do it yourself at your home without anybody's help. Similarly, let's also move on to the other gaming chair, and this one is called as a Kreo Altus and was made specially to offer you like maximum comfort. It's got an ergonomic sort of design and has slightly different sort of mechanism guys. I mean, most of the components remain same. In the packaging you get your armrest, headrest is also there, and just like the previous model, here also you're getting a 5-spoke nylon wheelbase. The chair comes in two pieces, the bottom cushiony base and this one is your backrest guys. And look at the quality as well, very beautiful looking design, right? Black and purple color scheme, Kreo signature color, and definitely looks quite attractive from our initial impressions. What I'll do is I'll quickly install and assemble the chair and then be right back to continue this video. And that's it boys, that was the whole installation process. Again, as I've told you, very simple process, hardly takes around like 15 to 20 minutes for each of the gaming chair. Now what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the gaming chairs and talk about the whole design and build quality. So we've got two models over here, right? The Kreo Altus and also the Kreo Noctus. We'll go through them one by one. First, let's start off with Kreo Altus. So at the beginning only I've told you, right, the Altus was made specifically to offer you like maximum comfort, hence the name ergonomic gaming chair. Check out the whole design guys. It comes in this beautiful black and purple color scheme, Kreo signature color scheme. On the top headrest you've got the Kreo logo and says Altus on the lumbar support cushion over here. And if you ask about the build quality of the chair is also excellent. Kreo has actually used like premium quality materials over here. I mean, check out the exoskeleton at the back side guys. You're getting a solid frame over here, skeletal structure, and not only that, on the bottom also you're getting like 60mm nylon dual caster wheels. There's plenty of padding not only on the bottom base seat but even on the backrest as well. So moving on, let's talk about the adjustability as well. This chair offers like plenty of adjustability options. You can adjust the height of this thing, you can adjust the reclining feature, armrests are also like fully adjustable, and obviously the headrest as well. Increase the height of this chair using this lever present on the bottom right corner, just like this, and the overall operation, everything seems pretty smooth and convenient. Now say suppose you want to adjust the recline position of this chair. Yes, you can do that. In fact, you have a lever on the lower left corner over here. Simply push it up like this, and now you can adjust the reclining feature on this chair from 90-degree position to up to 135 degrees guys. Simply push the backrest at a comfortable position that you feel and lock it down, and that is pretty much it guys, as simple as that. Coming to the headrest, there's ample amount of padding on the headrest as well. I mean, check it out guys. If you put your hand on it, right, it feels very squishy and cushiony is what I can say. So even the headrest is also like fully adjustable. You can increase or decrease the height of this thing, or even tilt and adjust the handle as per your requirement and comfort. Last but not the least, even the armrests on this thing are fully adjustable guys. In fact, the armrest offer up to like 360-degree movement. I mean, check it out. You can completely rotate it like this and adjust it. On top of that, you can even push it forward or backward, or even adjust the height of this thing guys. Fully adjustable 4D armrest. So keeping all that aside, now let's get to the main aspect of this chair. Like, how's the overall comfort experience when you sit on it? So at the beginning only I've told you I've been using this chair for quite some time. It's been almost like 7-8 days, and I have to mention guys, overall comfort and quality of this chair is very nice. If you sit on it, right, you can definitely feel that it is made to offer you like really good and comfortable experience. I mean, obviously this is an ergonomic gaming chair, right, made to offer you like maximum comfort for longer periods of session. There is plenty of cushioning, especially on the bottom base seat, and is also like pretty wide guys. Even if you have like a heavy personality, nothing to worry about that. It can easily accommodate your space. And one more main point I have to talk about is Kreo has designed this bottom seat wide enough so you can actually put your legs at the top side and cross it guys. You know, in India a lot of people love sitting with the legs crossed, right, just like this. So the seat is wide enough so you can comfortably place your legs like this and sit over here in this sort of position guys. You know, most of the chairs do not have this wide seat. What happens is if you try to sit like this, I'm pretty sure the handles will definitely touch your legs. That is not the case over here. It is very comfortable, and I'm actually liking the whole experience. One more question I keep getting a lot from my audience, especially in these chair related videos, like, Vimal bro, does the chair make any sort of squeaky sounds or noises, especially when you're moving here and there, or maybe from the lower half section? Now, as I've told you at the beginning, I've been using this chair for almost like 7 to 8 days, and during my usage so far though, I didn't face any such issues guys, and the whole operation was like pretty nice only guys. Smooth operation, no noise, nothing like that. I mean, check it out. The chair does support like 360-degree swivel movements, and the whole operation feels pretty nice guys. No noise, nothing like that. Even if I intensely try to move here and there also, right, no noise coming out from the lower half section or from the wheels. But honestly speaking, right, during the initial phases when you buy a brand new chair, most of the chairs don't make any sort of sounds. You'll have to use the chair for at least like 2 to 3 months, then you'll get to know the actual performance of the parts used on this model. So you'll have to stay tuned for that guys. Maybe I'll try to use it for a couple of months and share my experience and feedback in the comment section, so stay tuned for that. Only thing I was missing on this model is the chair does support reclining feature, but has a limited range of up to like 135 degrees guys. You're not getting up to 180 degrees like on your standard gaming chairs. If you want the 180-degree angle, then you'll have to go for Kreo's Noctus gaming chair that offers like full-on versatility. This is made specially for like ergonomic sort of design, right? So with that in mind, you'll have to keep that you're having a bit of limited reclining range over here. But apart from that, everything else feels nice, especially the overall comfort and feel experience. If you ask about the pricing details, so Kreo's Altus gaming chair is roughly priced for around like 14,999 rupees and does offer like 7-day replacement option. If you face any sort of issues, Kreo will help you out with that and help you solve your problem. Apart from that, you're getting like 800-day warranty as well. No cost EMI option is also there. I'll try to leave the product link in the description box below. So keeping this aside, now let me actually bring the other model over here and talk about that as well. Kreo's Noctus gaming chair. Ta-da! So this is the second chair I was like excited to talk about, Kreo's Noctus gaming chair, and let me tell you, it has a very unique 2-in-1 hybrid snap vent design. So thing is, in India, weather can get quite harsh and intense, especially during summertime. So during this season, I'm pretty sure if you're sitting on your gaming chair for long periods of session, maybe you're working or even if you're playing games, right, you'll definitely feel your back start sweating and gets uncomfortable guys for longer periods of sessions, and there's nothing you can do about it, especially on normal gaming chairs. Now say suppose during this situation you have this gaming chair, all you need to do is there's a zip over here on the backrest cushioning. Simply unzip it and take out the snap vent cover guys, just like this, and now what happens is your gaming chair literally transforms into a full-on mesh sort of backrest design guys. I mean, check out the whole backrest over here. This will greatly help you with that sort of situation and offer you like a much more comfortable experience. Now again, say it's again winter time and you want more cushiony, nice comfortable backrest experience, simply put on this snap vent cover from the top side just like this and zip it up to this lumbar support cushion, and that's it. Now you have a comfortable backrest experience. So 2-in-1 gaming chair is what you can call it. So let me give you a closer look and talk about the overall design and build quality. Creo's Noctus has excellent build quality, guys. I mean, check out the whole cushioning, fabric material quality. You've got the Creo branding everywhere. It says Noctus on the lumbar support over here, and even the build quality is also nice. Excellent construction is what I can say. On the bottom side, you're getting a 5-spoke reinforced metal frame along with 60 nylon caster wheels. Just like the other model, here also you're getting like full-on adjustability options. You can easily adjust the height of this thing. Reclining feature is also there. The armrests are also adjustable, and as I've told you, hybrid snap vent design, so obviously it is there. Coming to the reclining feature, on the right profile here you're getting a lever. Simply pull it like this, and now you can easily adjust the recline option on this chair up to 180 degree. Say suppose you want to take like a quick nap in between your gaming sessions, right? Yes, you can easily do that, and I'm telling you, right, overall experience is pretty nice. The armrests are also like fully adjustable on this model as well. In fact, this is not hard plastic material, guys. You're getting a soft PU material at the top side that feels very nice and comfortable when you place your hand on it. As I've told you, you can easily adjust the swivel position. You can move it forward, push it back as well, or even adjust the height of this handle just like this. Fully adjustable experience. The only thing, if I had to nitpick, right, this chair also, just like the Kreo Altus, has like full on fabric material, right, that too in like black color, so it might easily attract dust particles and stuff like that. So you'll have to keep cleaning it every once in a while to keep it looking neat and tidy. Apart from that, everything else is fine. If you talk about the pricing details, Kreo Noctus gaming chair is roughly priced around like 15,999 rupees. I'll try to leave link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that is pretty much it, guys. Time to wrap it up. Our unboxing, double unboxing in fact, on Kreo's new gaming chairs. So what do you people think? Definitely share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Make sure to smash that like button, and I'll see you all in my next one.